Well, it's that time again. It's time for another garage video. Hey guys, I'm Richard with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Whew. Oh my goodness. Yeah. What is going on here? Look at this mess, man. I mean, hold on a second. Just take a look at like, Richard, you're so unorganized. You got crap all over the place. Look at this. I mean, we just got, it's getting overwhelming in here. It's a fun problem to have, but oh my goodness. Look, I even still got my trash sitting here. They didn't make it in the trash can. I should have done that before I started the video. Haha. Maybe I'll cut that part out. All right, guys. So yeah, I hope you're doing well. Went out for a nice ride yesterday with a couple of friends. Went and explored an area, preserve, Carlton Preserve here in the area, and had a good time. Almost had a significant crash. Okay. And I'm not talking about just a small little wipeout. I'm talking about a significant crash. Some people say that I was very, very lucky. I call it very, very blessed. I'm going to make a separate video about that. I don't have any video footage of it, but I'm gonna make a separate video as a warning, slash safety video to maybe help you and maybe help prevent someone else from having a significant crash. But it was close. It was close. It would have been a bad one. So look for that video. I'm going to be recording that here in just a few minutes. With this bike, in fact, the eBike K6F. That's the one I was riding. So I will share more details about that. I've got to get a lot of stuff on charge because, you know, we've been riding some bikes recently and it's hard to charge anything because it's hard to get the chargers out and scramble around to get to the wall outlet to get stuff plugged in. And so we got several things in here that's just kind of starting to run down in the batteries, and I need to get those things charged up. Yeah. Hey, if you've been following my channel for a while, you probably know about the problem with the quicker rack that I had, where I dropped it going down the road. Look for that video if you missed it. Yeah, well, I got the new ramp, and thanks to Quicker for sending this out to me. So it looks great. You know, they said they were going to send me one. It's not a warranty item, but they would send me one anyway, just because I make videos and they, you know, always talking about their rack. And so they were going to send me one from their scratch and dent pile, right? Something that they don't sell new to somebody. And you know, if it's scratch and dent, this little bitty mark right here, that's the only thing I saw in it. So I don't know. I don't know if they ended up sending me a new one anyway. I don't know. There's a little spot right there too, I suppose, where the paint came off. So maybe that's what they were talking about. But it's a brand new ramp, so I appreciate Quicker Rack for sending that out to me. So it got me back up and operating again. That one is just going to make it into the scrap pile probably. I don't know. There's not much I can do with it. No, I could probably try to straighten out that bracket that got bent and stuff, but you know, chances are it's going to weaken it, and I don't know if I want to continue to try to use it. Maybe. Or maybe somebody else can use it. Let's see, what else is new here? So we sold, interesting thing. So, you know, I put up some bikes for sale a couple of weeks ago on Facebook, and previously I hadn't had any trouble selling bikes. Usually they sell within a week. I get a lot of interest, answer a lot of questions, yada yada. Well, that's new. We'll talk about that in a minute. But this time, not much interest at all, and I had like 6 items out there for sale. And I was like, well, what's going on? I got to get some stuff moving because I need to get more bikes coming in. And so here's what I did, guys. Last Friday, today is Sunday, Friday afternoon, I had this idea, and I thought, well, let's try this. On Facebook Marketplace, when you post stuff for sale, they allow you to post 10 pictures of whatever item you're selling, and they allow you to upload 1 video. So I said, you know, I'm going to make just a quick little video announcing who I am and why I'm selling e-bikes and all these e-bikes and why I sell them at such a big discount that I sell them at. And so I put that out there, and I uploaded that video for each one of my advertisements. And it was kind of quiet Friday night. Not much was happening. Saturday morning, my phone blew up. You know, my Facebook was blowing up because I had all kinds of people contacting me wanting to know about not only the bikes that I was selling, but they were asking me about other brand bikes. Hey, what's your opinion on this bike? What's your opinion on that bike? Somebody else is selling this. Is it a good deal? And like, oh my gosh, people. So all day Saturday, I was just constantly, while I was out trying to do my group ride, my phone was constantly going off. And here's the deal. You know, if people are interested in buying a bike from me, I'll answer your questions to a point. By the time we get to about the 10th question, I'm going to figure that you just lonely and want a conversation with somebody, and I'm going to just cut you off. Okay, I can only answer so many questions. And you can kind of tell when somebody is interested genuinely, or they're just lonely looking for a friend, and you're willing to respond, so they're going to keep talking to you. And so there's a difference between that and someone who's interested. But there's a couple people that I entertained for a few moments at least. Hey, what do you think about this other bike that somebody else is selling? Okay, I gave my quick opinion if I had some experience with that particular bike, but that's it. That's it. I stopped with that. You know, I'm not going to help you buy somebody else's bike. I mean, I would if I had the time. I am too busy to do that. Like I said, I had 25 messages probably yesterday from people. Some of them were contacting me saying, hey, do you ever get this brand and model in? I'm looking for this model. And it's like, oh man, you know what? I'm not a dealer. I don't have access to specific brands and models. I just have what I happen to have. So it was, guys, I was pulling my hair out. Where's Stanley? I saw him a minute ago. Stanley, I was pulling my hair out. Hey, Stanley, did you have fun yesterday with Amanda and Emma here in the garage? Did you have fun yesterday with Amanda and Emma? He has no opinion. All right, so yesterday while I was out having fun with friends, Amanda and daughter Emma were here, and they were doing some maintenance stuff for me, and they made a couple of videos, and they were having a good time doing a bunch of other stuff. Woo, so I appreciate them for holding down the fort. But now today, I'm going to get in here and I got to try to do some cleaning up while I wait for a couple more people to show up that wants to look at bikes. So I'm going to make a video here in a few moments. I got to do some cleaning up. I've got to do this guy, the Ingwe Engine Pro 2.0. Super nice bike. Never thought I'd be saying that about Ingwe. I've had an Ingwe bike on this channel before. Wasn't very impressed with it. I'm impressed with this one. This is really nice. You're going to see more about this one. But the derailleur came out of alignment. Yeah. And I'm not real good with derailleurs, so I got to break out a video for the adjustment so I can get it adjusted correctly. But I got to get this done because right now I can only get it in 5th gear and it's got 8 gears. So got to get that done. What other maintenance tasks am I going to do today? I don't know. There's a couple other maintenance tasks I'm working on. Hey, good morning. So, yeah, I don't know what else. Don't want this video to go too long. We're into it for 8 minutes. Hey, I'm trying to get my videos shorter. Give me a thumbs up if you appreciate shorter videos so I'm not out here rambling about all kinds of nonsense. Some of you appreciate it because you're just buying time and it's entertainment for you. I appreciate that. But yeah. Anyway, hey, that's going to be it. So give me comments down below so the community can answer. If you have any questions or comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, hey guys, check it out. Please, if you're new here, subscribe. We got content for everyone. Stick around for a while and see if you like the channel. If you don't, then you can unsubscribe later on. Subscribe. Join us. We're having a lot of fun here. See you in another video real soon.